Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App hack free money video. As you guys know, I take a look at these videos, I break them down, we see if they're legit, we see if they're fake, we see if they're a scam. Basically just see what they're all about. I have a lot of experience with Cash App. I make tons of Cash App videos on my channel, so you can check those out if you want. But today we're going to be looking at this one right here. Alright, so we got Cash App free money. How to get Cash App money 2020 tutorial, checkmark Cash App hack. And this is by Young Papa. It's got 35k subs. And this video has almost 15,000 views. So let's go ahead and watch this. It's about 2 minutes long. We'll see what it's all about. He says, hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to get free money on Cash App. That's his username. You can get $100 for free on Cash App, he says. So now he's saying go to a website and click generate on Cash App. This is definitely not going to work. Don't do this. They're just going to steal your information, or they're going to get you to watch some ads. That's how they make money from it. So you pick how much you want to add. Like, first of all, who would pick like 20 or 50 when you can pick 100? I don't know. It's kind of weird to even give that option. So now he's doing a human verification. It's going to have him download an app, and then he's probably going to have to go on that app for a little bit, use the app. He's doing another app. We've seen lots of these on the channel. They never work. Okay, so this is the part I want to see. So let's see if he cuts right here. This is the big thing. So he's going back to Cash App. So something suspicious happened right here. He taps Cash App. Then the screen is just black. There's no like loading screen. You know the screen when you tap the icon and then there's like a loading screen kind of. It's usually like a branded loading screen, and then the app is there. But this one is just black, so that's suspicious. That's pretty weird. It seems like he cut right there. Just very strange looking. First of all, the Cash App interface doesn't even look like this. Yeah, his doesn't even have the tab bar down here. So down here, there would be a tab bar where you can go to, so you can go to your wallet right there, your card, the payment screen, the investing screen, in the history, but there's no tab bar on his screen. And actually, it doesn't look like this at all, because on this wallet screen, your balance is right here. What he's doing shows money loading right here. I think he cut right there as well. You can see the money loading in. That's not a thing. That's not an actual thing like that happens within the app. So yeah, obviously a fake scam here, a fake hack. It's not a real thing. If you go to whatever website you said and try this, it's not gonna do anything for you. They're just using you to get ad money, or they're potentially stealing some of your information. They might sell that to other people. They might try to hack you or take advantage of your account. You know, lots of things that you don't want to happen could happen. So I advise to stay away from things like this. If you want to see legit ways to get money on Cash App or to invest on Cash App, I have tutorials on how to do that and experiments on my channel. Investing $1 a day in Bitcoin, in stocks, also how to get $5 free on Cash App, how to get a free stock on Robinhood worth up to $500, $5 free on Acorns. There's tons of them, so just check out my channel, watch the videos you're interested in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below, let us know what you guys think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.